Snapchat video call sound not working. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix Snapchat video call sound not working on your mobile phone. So now open up your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat, now go to your profile. After you open your profile like this, now go to settings. After you open settings, now scroll all the way to down and go to permissions. At the bottom, permissions, this one. After you open permissions like this, now the first one it says camera, the second one it says contact, as you can see now. So the third one it says location, and the fourth one it says microphone. So all you have to do now, tap on this, tap to enable microphone. So now it will open setting of your Snapchat. So in this section now, go to permission, scroll to down, go to microphone, scroll to down. As you can see now it says don't allow, change it to this allow only while using this app. So now your problem has been solved. That's it guys on how to fix microphone not working or sound not working on your Snapchat app. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.